Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Airtable blocks and views for consistent releases, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Airtable blocks and views, start by opening your Airtable base. Navigate to the view or block you wish to back up. For views, click on the drop-down menu of the view at the top left. Select Duplicate to create a copy of the view. This allows you to keep a backup in case you make changes later. For blocks, first, ensure you are in the appropriate app interface within Airtable. Click on the Blocks Options menu, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Choose Export or Duplicate depending on your requirements. If exporting, select your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. Save the exported file securely on your local drive or cloud storage. If you duplicated a view or block, give it a clear name indicating it is a backup. Regularly repeat this process to maintain updated backups. Consider using versioning in the names of duplicates to track changes over time. When making significant updates, create backups beforehand for safety. Communicate with your team about the backup process to ensure everyone is aligned. Remember to document any changes made to the views and blocks within your project management tool. This documentation helps maintain clarity on what is backed up and any differences between versions. Following these steps consistently will ensure you have reliable backups of your Airtable blocks and views. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.